Here's how you can create voiceover that sounds real with AI. If you want to create a voiceover but don't want to use your own voice and create it with AI, this is the easiest way to do it. First things first, you'll need to have a voiceover. If you have written a voiceover, that's great. You can also use AI tools like ChatGPT in order to write one. The AI tool that you're going to use in order to create the voiceover is 11 Labs. So go on to your Google browser and search for 11 Labs. Click on the first link and you'll be redirected to the main 11 Labs website. Here you'll need to log in or sign up with your Google account or just your email and giving it a password. Once you're all logged in and set it up on your account, on the main page, on the left side menu, you'll see some options like text to speech or voice changer and all the other options. You need to go into the text to speech option. Here you can add your text and generate speech out of it. You'll see a lot of options from the bottom. Select one according to your voiceover. If you want to narrate a story, if you want it to sound as an ad, that's your choice. On the right side, you'll have a lot of options. Like you can select the voice that you want. You'll have a lot of voice options. Just select the one that fits your style better. You can select the model. The newest version is the best, but you can change it if you want. Also, you can choose the speed, the stability, and other options. What you'll need to do is just paste your voiceover here. I'm just going to put something for an example and just click on generate. In just a few seconds, it will generate a whole voiceover for you. You can listen to it. If you want to change anything, you can of course change from the right hand menu because you'll have all the options about the speed, stability, and all the other options. Once you're happy with the voiceover, click on download and it will download it onto your PC or your mobile phone. That is how you can easily create voiceovers by using AI that just sound real. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.